Will $BLP pre-sale on Blast blockchain hit $10 million? Launchpad token shows bigger potential than $ETH and $OP. Even a 20% slump in the price of Bitcoin cannot derail the train that is the pre-sale of BlastUP, the first launchpad on the billion-dollar rollup Blast. As the pre-sale is about to hit $6 million and users have only 18 days left to buy BLP. ETH could surge 30%, but rollup ecosystem tokens are a better opportunity. Look at BLP. After rallying past the ETH pre-halving, BTC has finally provided crypto investors with a 20% dip and some great discounted entries on altcoins. For those investors who believe that a Q3 rally is on the cards, now is the time to decide which alts to add to their portfolios. ETH remains a good choice. If a spot Ethereum ETF is approved, it could easily rally 30% to $3,700. However, let's not forget that the main beneficiaries of the recent Dencun upgrade are actually rollups, so investors should pay close attention to ecosystem tokens on base. Arbitrum, Optimism, and especially Blast, the first rollup to reach $1 billion in TVL in just 35 days. Established tokens in these altwo chains, such as $ARB, $OP, $VELO, AERO, Juice, etc., could all potentially provide higher returns than ETH in a bull market. However, the most interesting opportunities are pre-sales, as they allow users to buy into the most promising ecosystem tokens at 20–50% below the listing price. One particularly interesting pre-sale that is still ongoing is BlastUP $BLP on the Blast altwo. Why have investors snapped up almost $6 million worth of BlastUP $BLP tokens? Spoiler: exclusive access to future IDOs on Blast. BlastUP is the first ever launchpad on Blast, the hottest new Ethereum rollup. It took Blast only 35 days to reach $1 billion in TVL, its biggest draw being native yield in ETH and stablecoins. It is also part of Optimism's upcoming superchain rollup framework. Over 100 projects are already building on Blast, and many of them don't have a token yet. This is what puts the BlastUP launchpad in such a privileged position. As the Blast ecosystem explodes, all the most promising projects will conduct their IDOs there. In other words, BlastUP will have the first mover advantage. $BLP token holders will get guaranteed allocations and IDOs on Blast in accordance with a 6-tier launchpad system. In addition, holders will be able to stake $BLP to earn rewards. BlastUP has already successfully hosted the first IDO, that of the $Cibro token, while the second one is scheduled for the coming weeks. Meanwhile, BlastUP on pre-sale has reached Stage 6 with $5.9 million raised already. With 4 more stages to go, $BLP could easily reach $10 million on pre-sale. An incredible result for a project on a rollup. Several factors are behind this high level of interest: access to future IDOs on Blast, booster points, special incentive points that users receive when buying $BLP, Blast boxes, weekly giveaways with valuable NFTs, and cryptocurrency as prizes. High audit score by CertiK 82 points. Among the top 30 pre-launch projects, recognition by several leading experts and influencers including r/crypto moonshots. Possibility to buy $BLP with a bank card. How to join the $BLP pre-sale. Only 18 days left in Stage 6. It's still possible to buy $BLP at just 6 cents per token as long as Stage 6 lasts. When Stage 7 begins on June 1, the price will go up to 65 cents. A big advantage of the BlastUP pre-sale is that investors don't need to hold ETH on Blast. In fact, many payment methods are accepted: Visa and MasterCard, Ethereum, Ethanust, Blast, EthanusDB, BNB Chain, BNB and UST, Polygon, UST and Matic. In conclusion, now is the time to get into the Blast ecosystem. Projects built on the Blast rollup could provide strong gains in the next wave of the bull market, especially as the superchain narrative becomes stronger. Investors should consider positioning themselves in this ecosystem as early as possible, and BlastUP provides the best opportunity for this with its guaranteed allocations for IDOs on Blast, as well as staking rewards and Blast box giveaways for $BLP holders. Buy $BLP on the official website with a bank card. Follow us on Google News. Disclaimer: the text above is an editorial article that is not part of Crypto News.com editorial content.